All right, cool. Let's go ahead. All right, so we're in. We're gonna go ahead and install Eve on Brian's ESXI. Look at all his stats. He's running on a PowerEdge R610. And let's look at some of his statistics. He has 4 terabytes memory, hard drive space, RAM. He has 70 gigs, cool, and he got a quad core, so we're good. Yeah, he has Xeon chips, so that's perfect. So let's go ahead and first we're gonna go ahead and we need to upload the ISO file. Hold on. Can't do the ISO file here. That's not that. We're going to do that. All right.
Oh, it's already in the download mode. It's already on the computer.
Oh, you already banged it out? Nice.
Yeah, it's already in there.
All right. So slow.
I got you.
Go ahead and take me. Thank you. How you like Windows 11, man?
I hate it.
For you.
I hate it.
Yeah, I figured. I hate it too.
Look, I'm already throw the whole dang thing back. Like I'm sick of it.
But they still keep the essentials though.
Bro, it's so like when I'm trying to navigate and find different things, it stalls. It's trying to find. I was like, you know what? Like I don't do well with it. Like I have the MacBook Pro and then I have this. So with this one, when I had my MacBook Pro, I used that one all the time. But then when I got this computer, because I was starting to do like a lot of cyber stuff, a lot of labs and stuff like that. So this worked for me very well until this happened.
Gotcha.
Just like, you know what?
All right.
Through all of this.
So we got the ISO file uploaded to the data store. Perfect. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and create that EVM. So since we got the ISO file, we're gonna use this first method, which is create a new virtual machine. Go ahead and give it a name. Of course, the directions are on EveNG's cookbook for Eve community, but I remember it, so we're just gonna go ahead and roll through it and give it a name. Brian's running 6.0. Go ahead and give it Linux, and we're gonna run Ubuntu 64-bit version. Roll. Data store we want to use, you only has that data store. All right, this is where we're gonna go ahead and we gotta customize our settings for our host, for our EveNG. So since he has a quad core, we're gonna give it, like I said earlier, I didn't say it probably before the recording, but Eve and all these other virtualization software is more based on the CPU. If you don't have anything else, as far as memory or hard drive space, you want to give it a whole bunch of CPU. So we're gonna give it, got 16. Let's give it 10.
So you going for the gold, huh?
Hey man. We're gonna do this. Hard drive space. Give it 100 gigs. You got the space. All right. So major thing. CPU. We click that hardware virtualization, expose hardware assisted virtualization to the guest OS. Very important. Knock that out. Memory, that's good. Hard disk. We're gonna make sure, and Jay, I know this was your question before, so I checked the documentation. It has to be thick, provisioned, equally zeroed. Whenever you're giving it the
That makes sense.
setting up the hard drive for it.
Yeah, that makes sense.
All right, and then Eve says it has to be on VMX Net 3, so that's there. Cool. And then here's where we're gonna upload the ISO file. We're gonna go ahead, boom, go to our data store.
Yeah, I think the thick makes sense.
Exit.
Now that you said it.
Cool. So now we got our VM set up. We gave it all the special properties. everything that we need to. We're gonna go ahead and finish. Gonna finish installing here. Give it a minute. While we're doing that, Jay, you want to go ahead and share your screen? Let's see if anything changed. Brian, we'll come back to you.
All right, cool. Want me to hop off?
Yeah, Jermaine would just
if I share, it should pull you.
And just let me know whenever, if you see in the bottom taskbar, whenever it says that task is finished, to create VM, let me know.
Gotcha.
Which screen am I sharing?
I see the vSphere client.
All right, sweet.
Cool. All right, so let's go ahead and open up File Explorer. Does it still show up as archive file?
It still does, bro. Hold on, let me look at. I just downloaded the one that you said. All right, it says it's down. Open in folder. It's the same thing, bro. It could be me.
Wait, hold on. ISO archive. Why is it? Hold on.
Type ISO archive. What is your type? .iso?
.iso. So it's it's a program that's messing with it, bro.
The extension, yeah. So it could be me. I just need to figure that out.
Hold on. Let's try something. Hold on. Let's go to the data store.
Data store.
Hey, Jermaine, so when you downloaded it, did it give you the option to save it to a specific location?
No, it just downloads directly to my downloads folder. But it seems like it's what it's set to. It's the file type. It's saying something about archive. What's up, dude?
All right, and let's upload.
We still upload. You still want me to upload it? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to see something.
See, there's a folder. Well, let's see.
All right, let's go back to downloads. Just
Yeah,
click that.
All right.
And then hit open.
That was the last one, right? 1025. Yep. Yes.
Yep.
You want to see if it still comes across? Okay.
Yeah,
That's what you're saying. That's what you're saying.
There we go.
It looks like it. All right. So got 5 minutes.
Cool.
So what this is doing is reading it. So yes, it's at 16. So let me ask you this real quick, David, with this particular scenario here. So what this is doing is, even though his is reading a file that's not readable, like for that particular area, even if you still load it in, it's technically loading it in still as the ISO. The ISO file.
And that's what I wanted to test. That's what I wanted to test and see if it's just his Windows is just changing the file type. But if we go ahead and upload it to a program, they're like, hey, we're reading it as ISO. I don't know what
so
Windows
that makes sense.
has. So
what you said makes sense.
Quick little dirty test. So Brian, go ahead and share your screen. Let's go ahead and continue with yours while Jermaine is loading up.
Mine is still at 18%. So I was gonna say, if you want to still wait for his to finish, his probably finish before mine will.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, we can stay on just Jermaine's. That's cool.
Yeah, I see what you're saying. Disk image type. What is it? Default apps.
Default app.
Choose the default app for each type. Is that it?
Yeah, you're right. Yeah. Ooh, bring me back to desktop support days, man. Missed them days, boy.
You missed them?
Yeah. You missed the print. You missed the printers? You don't miss those things. You don't miss the printers. I love the printers.
You like the printers,
I love the printers.
I have a love-hate relationship with printers, man. I really do.
I think it's because that was my first exposure to networking. Because it's like, you know, organization I work for it.
Rico.
Oh my God. Why I can't print? How do you add this?
You know what's crazy?
That Rico printer, I wanted to give it a West Coast leg drop. That didn't deserve to be built. I don't know who decided to build that printer. That needs to be thrown away.
Hey, you know what's crazy? I had a guy saying one day, and this is, mind you, this is me having a headache of adding
Jay,
like
see it?
adding scan folders to that
Huh?
yeah,
Click
setting
that.
up
It doesn't even have it.
Yeah, but that's ISO arc. I don't know, bro. But hold up. What's this image type? I'm looking at what Claude shared. Is that an option?
Yeah,
Right.
pull up the Claude. Yeah, has
Yeah, but that's
image
it.
file.
Well, no, yeah, but that's a type. What's on? But I think it's a .iso, right? So
Yeah. I
yeah,
think
so that's not
I
even
don't
it.
know.
I don't know,
But
bro.
see, it doesn't even have the program. That's
Yeah.
weird. But we'll come back to that. We'll
All
come
right.
back to
Yeah.
that
So we
for
go
some
back to
reason.
this. All right. Here we go. What we got?
Cool.
Oh,
So
we in there, man.
All right,
We
cool.
in
So we
there.
got the ISO. Yeah, we in
We
there,
in
baby.
there.
Cool. So now
All
let's go ahead and create a VM.
Oh, we in there, baby boy.
See, you Jermaine, are you more comfortable in the console? I mean, I'm sorry, in the
Yeah, the GUI like this
client.
over the comp. Yeah.
See, for some reason I kept trying to go to the client, but I think when I was getting this whole thing set up, like it says more comfortable to be in the what is this thing called? The web interface.
Oh,
But
I
I'm
think
glad
so.
you're
You
doing
got
it this way.
6.5.
No, I just got 6.0.
6.0 allows you
Nah,
to do that.
Jay, he didn't install the vSphere client. That's why, Jay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
No, I
okay.
have the client too.
Oh, so why you ain't in it?
Bro, I mean, shoot, that's why it really didn't matter to me.
Linux, other
Linux, and then we're gonna choose
Ubuntu.
64-bit. Cool. Next.
That's
All
good.
right. I mean, that's fine. Yeah, that's all default.
How much you doing? 300? 200?
Yeah, let's give it 300. Yeah, I mean, you got it. You can spare it. Yeah, go ahead and give it 300. And then six.
You got it, ball
provision.
out.
Eager.
Eager.
Yeah. Exactly. There you go.
Yeah. Okay,
Oh.
I don't have it, bro, because it's thick.
Yeah. Come on, man. Why you ain't got it? Nah, go ahead and give it 200. All right. So let's
Hey,
go
look.
next. All right, cool.
Edit, right?
Yeah, you good. Yep. 100%.
Because I need to change that guy. Cool. What do we put in memory to?
Yeah, let's go ahead and give it 64.
God damn, bro.
How much memory you got?
Don't do me like that, bro. I don't know.
Man, you got you got 73. Let's go. Man, give it 64.
I don't know if give it 64. All right, cool.
Give it 64.
This man just went all out, bro.
Look,
right.
so you see what I mean?
No.
You told us to go all out.
No, we gonna hold on. So we're not gonna give it a core per socket. We're just gonna give it a number of virtual sockets. So we're gonna leave that at 1, and we're gonna change this to hold on. What's your total number of sockets? Scroll down. Let's put it to 10.
Well, that I got. Right. I'll work with that. All right, cool. And
then
this,
then
right?
We're gonna go to data store ISO file. Here we go. Click on data store 1. There we go. We'll go to that E file.
This guy.
There we go.
It's my goddamn
nice.
zip. Zip messed me up. That was it, right? Nothing else here, right?
Let's I think we're good to go.
Yeah, I think we're good now.
No, I think we're good.
Yeah. Did that say power on?
What was the hardware option that
right?
you said you did on mine?
Yep. Yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Yeah. Good stuff.
David, didn't you do a hardware option on mine?
Go to CPUs. Give me a second, Brian. Okay. Click finish, and I want to go and edit because we got to turn on virtualization.
I did. I think because we did power on.
Go to Eve. I just want to check it.
Well, actually, no. Okay. Go where?
Let's go to resource allocation.
Oh, it's not powered on here.
Still loading.
Actually, no, it's building. Here we go. That's why it's down here 4%.
Okay.
So it's building. Yeah.
Okay.
Wait.
Brian, go ahead and show your screen. Yeah, Jermaine, we just gotta. There's one setting. We just like I was talking about. I want to make sure that the CPU is initialized for virtualization for this box.
So the HP, the Pro Line, not or the VM, the EVE. Okay.
Not for the Pro Line, for the VM.
Okay. All right. Cool.
Yeah. Okay. There goes Brian. All right. Brian is still installing. So.
That's a whole different view, though.
Yeah, because he's using the web interface.
Oh yeah. Correct.
Yeah. If you go to his client, he got the client too. Bring up the client. There you go. Just like yours, bro.
Okay.
There you go. Yeah.
Nice. Get
So do we all got 6?
Yeah. Now
Okay.
I got 6, but patch version U3. Yeah, that's what I got.
This is what I was planning on playing with when I was on shift tonight, because I'm going to like 12. So
Gotcha.
You got to put the license in.
Yeah.
Does it matter though for him? It says 3 days
matter of
remaining.
fact, I need to go ahead and do that now. I'm gonna look for
Yeah,
that.
you need to go ahead and you need to go and do it like ASAP.
Because bro, I forgot where they sent the license to.
Either they email it, or if you go back to the site, you should be able to copy it out.
Yeah, I tried to go to the site, but it wouldn't do it.
It wouldn't do it?
No, let me. I'm gonna try again. Hold on.
Okay. Well, stop sharing your screen.
Oh.
You're recording. Yeah, that would help.
Keep you right now.
Yeah, you like it.
What is it called? Oh gosh.
Yeah, because Jermaine, when I was it was. Oh Jesus.
Yeah.
Now I want to get a VM cert. I want to get a VM cert now. I want to learn about
VC. What is it? VCP or 6 or something? Yeah, one of them.
Something like that. Yeah.
That joint is. That joint is.
Get busy?
I don't know, bruh. No, I thought about it back in the days when I was working help desk. I was like, ugh.
Yeah.
It's a beast.
I'm gonna get it. I like a little challenge every now and then as well, every day. So I'll take it. But yeah, I was, dude, it was a lot. So so basically to the pro line we had in the lab, we got 2 pro lines. And the dude that used to I guess the network security engineer before me, he was trying to set it up. He couldn't get it set up. I was like, well,
let me show you.
Life sucks, baby. Life sucks, baby. Let me go ahead and hop in. All right, I'm in now. He tagged me in. So what it was is Jay, how he was installing it. He installed it on the and Jay, you can correct me if I'm wrong. The front drives that are on the Pro line, they were showing up as remote drives when he installed ESXi.
Oh, he didn't do it as, I know what you're talking about.
As local.
As local. Yeah, yeah.
And so the error that I was getting whenever I booted up, it was always fatal error 6. Because there wasn't enough memory in the flash. It was like, oh, okay. But then I found out, he installed the ESXi on the remote drive.
Yeah.
So once I installed it on the local drive. Yeah. So then
did you do it as an iSCSI? How did you create the drive? Okay.
I did it as an iSCSI, but I created one logical drive. I had two drives in there. And then I just created it as one logical drive as far as the front drive. Then pop that in there and install it perfectly.
Okay, good shit.
So
what RAID did you use?
It was RAID 10.
RAID 10.
Yeah, RAID 10. It didn't even give me the option to switch it to like
just
5.
Okay.
It just automatically was like, yo, RAID 10.
So your joint's cut in half then. So you got 200, you said? So it was a 500?
Probably so, yeah. Probably a 600. 600. It was 300 in total.
Okay, so then it's probably a 600 then. Because mine's 2 terabyte and I only have a gig, 949 gigs. So because I did RAID 10.
Okay.
Bro, I'm trying to find out where to find it. Hold on, let me try to look this. I cannot find it. Let me see if I can look in my email.
No, because and Jay, correct me if I'm wrong, because you bought it used, right? So should they still send it to you? Or
what?
You have to buy
What's
your
that?
License? The Pro line.
The Pro line? No, I got the same way you got it. That's how I inherited mine. They're tossing shit out. And I'm like, let me get that.
Okay.
Let me get that, big boy. Yeah. I didn't buy it used. I got mine.
For the good old, y'all don't want this?
Yeah, y'all don't want this? Yeah, this is trash. Let me throw it out for you.
Oh, let me throw it out for you.
Yeah.
Throw it right in the truck.
Exactly what I did.
Toss.
That's exactly what I did. Trying to see how I set it up.
Bro, I don't know
Smart
what the
array.
hell. Like, where did this even come from? Like,
Yeah, this was a beast in itself too. Bro.
well, I can't. So I don't know how to find that. Let me see. Hold on. Jump down.
Yeah, Jay, I want to get me an even higher one, bro, because I want to add 2 CPUs in it. Nasty with it.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, man.
Hold up. You said you're gonna get another one? You want to get another pro
Yeah.
line? Is that what you said?
Yeah. Yeah.
God damn.
Yeah, man. Nah, because I want to do the Cisco ICE thing and all that stuff. Because
okay.
apparently we got to and DNA. We got to know it for the
True.
PCIe. So yeah, there's that.
True.
So I want to do that, and then
So you're going so just get more storage then. I don't think you need another. Okay, so you're gonna buy another pro line to rebuild
CPU.
it. CPU. Okay.
Rebuild it. That got more sockets, so I can put more CPUs in it.
I got you. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So and then I'm trying to replace the Cisco switches I got with kind of newer switches on eBay. So that
what you trying to get?
I don't know. I saw like I think I told Claude. I inherited one of my buddies gave me 6K chassis with.
Yeah, you were telling me about that. Yeah, you got 2 of them. Yeah.
Yeah, he gave me 2 of them with freaking each of them got 2 line cards and a soup in it, 1 soup in it. I'm like, oh, come on, give me that. I said, I'll take it. So, but I'm trying to get some more so I can try to see if I can push some APIs down to the switches and see if it works. So,
okay.
We'll see.
Nice. Do you are you gonna shut off your pro light at night, or you have that bad boy running?
No, I'm gonna shut it off at night, bro.
Oh, okay.
Right.
When it starts up, does it start up like a helicopter?
No, bro, it's quiet.
No. Bro, mine, when I got this thing in the closet,
bro.
I'm trying to tell you,
bro.
I got the old.
Bro, you got a broken fan. You got a broken fan or something. You
think
got a broken fan or something.
Maybe.
No, it's quiet now. I'm I think when I initially got it.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. That's how mine starts. No, yours is all quiet.
See, because y'all
I
like
said,
me, man.
I said, if this is what this is supposed to be like, I'm gonna send this back.
Well, Brian, you always have layer 8 issues, so you don't count. But
wow, dog like that, bro.
No, I'm joking. But nah, I don't know. Yeah, I booted up. The thing boot up quiet. Like I'd be forgetting that it's on. So
yeah. Once it's up for me, like now it's quiet. You know how to have your VMs start up automatically, right? You know how to set that, the startup order and all of that jazz.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay. Appreciate it.
Now I gotta figure out where. Okay, so now where do I put this?
Yeah, Jay, I really want to like I said, learn more about VMs because I want to manipulate some stuff in ESXi CLI, like do updates and stuff. Do
you have that? I don't know though, bro. I think you have to have a license for that. You trying to do like vMotion type stuff, like the data center?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. No, but it's no, you don't need a license. You can enable the console and stuff like that. They just don't recommend you leaving it on.
Okay.
Yeah. They'll keep telling you as soon as you log in. Like when I was trying to log in today, it kept telling me turn it off. You don't need it. So apparently it's a security issue. Jay, yours?
Nah, bro. Mine's not even. Yeah, I'm slow as crap. I'm 13%.
This would be the last thing that I'm going to do before I go to bed. Hit that button
and just let it ride. Just let it ride.
Let it ride.
Well, I mean, mine is done.
Nah, bro, here's 49%. Am I looking at the right thing? What you talking about? It's right there.
Oh no, I paused the screen. Y'all can't see what I'm doing.
Oh, my bad.
What?
Then yours is
Dude,
way
we waiting on
faster.
you.
Bro, y'all told me to do this. You know what? Y'all told me to do this license
Bro,
thing.
we over here waiting on you, bro.
We looking at 49%. Stop pausing the screen.
For like the last 30 minutes.
Yeah, we are. God. What you doing?
Bruh, you the one told me to pause my screen because you ain't want to.
I said this. Hold on. Wait a minute. Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
I said stop sharing. Now you at look. Claude just said it. Now you just having layer 9 issues. At this point, it's
Yeah,
just.
this man moved up
Hey,
one
you
more
look-
layer,
look,
bro.
Bruh. Yeah, this guy.
Look. I don't even think tier 3s can help you, bro.
Bruh, look at
Professional
Hey,
services?
Look,
Hey, Dave, I want my one when I see you, bro. I want my one.
Come on, bro. You get one chance to give me a black eye. And after that, hey, bro, you lost.
Oh, you gonna get a black eye.
Yeah, all right, you better punch as hard as you can, okay?
I'm gonna hit you in the nose and it's gonna give you 2 of them.
All right.
Yo,
You gonna wake up.
I was just looking at
What
those Pro Lions on
Yeah.
eBay just a minute ago, anywhere between $300 and $400.
No. Claude, Brian gave me a good site. Brian, if you don't mind posting it whenever you get a chance.
Yep, I got
go
you.
ahead and where he grabbed his, they were way under that.
For real, I look at eBay, but okay.
Let me see.
Yeah, Brian. All right, I'm gonna take control whenever you're ready.
Oh shoot.
You want to do that with the recording, though? Are we good?
Yeah, let me go ahead and pause. Cool. All right, so now we're in the box there. Let's check. Maybe 10 CPUs. Give you some good RAM. We just check one thing. Jay, here's what I was talking about.
Yeah.
So Jay, right here,
Mm-hmm.
having this
Audio
option,
version.
make
Yeah.
sure. Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Make sure
I'll
that's
check
it.
that. I'll check it 1 second.
Okay. Cool. Cool.
Yeah, mine's 20%.
Now that we
so-
good.
Yeah.
We got that. We got the ISO. Perfect. All right. Cool. No tasks is running. Let's go ahead and boot this bad boy up. All right. Cool. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and take over. And the reason why I want to go ahead and make a different instructions because how Eve got it on the cookbook, you're not able to manually set your IP address for the host. So you legit have to, because it's going to try to get a DHCP address. So you have to legit hit cancel while it's trying to get that configuration done so you can manually assign the IP address. So it's weird, very weird. You're on Wi-Fi?
Yeah. You need me to be connected to the Ethernet?
Nope.
Huh?
Nope. No, you're good. Why do you
Okay.
have 7,000 networks? What's wrong with you? No, this guy.
Well, it's the same, though, right?
Yeah, it's still
No,
got
it's too. Okay.
it
No.
out.
He subnetted one. The wireless is okay. Yeah.
I'm not gonna ask. Brian, we're gonna have a talk.
So you just made it bigger on the wireless.
Golly, you haven't drawn
Yeah.
attention to it, huh?
So you got more devices, wireless device.
All right, cool. All right.
Yeah, he the only one in the neighborhood running enterprise.
See.
You're wrong. Claude came out the woodwork.
I thought it was better than that, man.
Yo, but
Golly.
you got to get that smoke here before you get it out there, man.
Well, shit is gonna be out there now for everybody.
Smoke out there, baby.
It's cool. You live and you learn.
It's all Brian. We love you, dog. It's all love, man. It's all love, man.
Hey, I know.
You how we
I
do.
know. I'll be the punching bag for a little bit. Next thing you know, I'm gonna be big dog on top.
Yeah.
Oh man, we just can't wait till you become a CIO, man. You know you're running cybersecurity stuff here and there. So, hey man, this is all practice.
Oh,
I can't
most
wait.
definitely.
Don't forget about the little people when you don't forget about the little people when you
Man,
make it to the top.
I ain't trying to hear none of that.
I'm just saying, man. You turn Hollywood once you get to the top. You know,
I hear
we
Brian.
don't see it all.
I hear Brian now in his manager's position talking about.
Uh-huh.
Are you asking me or are you telling me?
Bro, and that's exactly what it's gonna be.
Look,
That's not
look.
fair. Don't do that.
You know, new young cat at the terminal. Talking about, I think we got a threat here, Brian. Like, you asking me or you telling me?
Hey, bro, you gotta be sure. I don't need you to be guessing on my watch. You mess up something, you out. And I promise you it's gonna be on you.
Look, I just want to be the inspirational janitor that just when you say that to him, just look like, hey, bro, ain't got nothing to do with me.
Hey, I'm be like, hey, you might want to go ahead and call David and ask him what I'm gonna tell you. Because guess what?
Don't call me. Look, I can't take too many 5 a.m. calls. Okay.
I'm gonna let you know now. Look.
Listen. Okay, I can't take any more 5 a.m. calls. All right. Y'all killing me at this point.
You're gonna be bottom out.
So fellas, a little background. So yeah, we got the ISO file. It's running on top of Ubuntu. Okay. So while it's doing its job and knocking it out, typically, let me go ahead and run that. Now that it's complete, it's going to go ahead and run all this entire script of getting Eve stood up. So this is going to be like a minute. So while it's doing this, Brian, keep us updated whenever the screen changes for this. Jay, let's go ahead and check on you.
Nah, mine's gonna be a hot minute. I'm at 24.
Yeah, 24.
Yeah, I don't know, bro. I probably need to go purchase one. Where's that site at again? You look.
It's in the Slack.
Jay over there running a 32-bit. What you got going on, bro?
I don't know, bro. So old, man.
I told you, he's trying to give you all the resources in the world possible to set this thing up.
Man, don't feel bad. Don't feel bad. You know,
if I still running XP.
Yeah, I got Vista and stuff running on mine, so don't even feel bad.
Look, you thought Log4j was an issue, bro. You got all the vulnerabilities in the world at it.
Hey, bro, they already got on ESXI, they already got a Log4j warning on top of the banner across theirs.
Yep, bro. I think every site does. Even V has a banner saying Log4j, hasn't affected it. So, which I get. And Brian, you can educate us, bro. I mean, isn't it too early to say that it's still unaffected or not because they're still learning about it?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. So I think for us, we're still for our company, we're still working through it and still getting some understanding for it. So us, I can't speak for anybody else, but I know for us, we're still, as stuff come in, we're looking at it, we're investigating it and trying to figure out and make sure, okay, cool. These are some of the steps you need to take for this particular alert. And then most of the alerts that we get, not that I know of, none of ours have succeeded.
Okay. Now I know companies I worked at before. I know one company I did work at, they were involved in an attack, right? And I know typically like the initial, scan process of seeing, where it took place or what have you, it was first established with the first tool, but then, they use different tools later on, like a week after or 2 days after, what have you. Like, all right, it's a different way to check for vulnerability. Is that typically what you've been doing?
Hold on, say that one more time.
Just like, is there different tools or different methodologies as the time goes on while you guys are monitoring this attack to scan to verify for if the virus or the malware exists or not on a specific host?
So we have different things that we use to kind of verify if an attack was made, like something called FireEye IA.
Got you.
Also there is Elastic. We can look through that too. That's one thing. Then it's other different programs that we use too. Some of them are phasing out, some of them we still use, but there's more than one way to check that, and we kind of use multiple of them to kind of double back and check behind each one. Because say for instance, what one may catch, one may not. So
Got you.
just double checking behind yourself.
Where is this .o.15 network coming from? Dude, I'm verifying your network before we do anything.
You good?
Come on. I'm not playing with you. Hold on. All right. Okay, there we go. Okay. All right. So now once we log in, right?
Hold on, let me write this down because this is new documentation. Hold on.
Please, because you have.
Yeah, I know, because you about to have me logging into something. I ain't got nothing wrote down.
Yeah, apparently. Yeah. Great job, buddy. Jesus.
I mean, what you see, and look, what's happening now?
All right, so write down your gateway of your VM, 192.168.0.1. Claude. 2007. Service Pack 1. Oh, geez. Claude, it's telling you to upgrade to Vista. It's begging you. And Microsoft don't do a lot of begging now. Oh, man. All right, Brian, you ready? You wrote down your gateway? Okay. Hold on. What is your... Okay, so domain name. Okay, cool. That's your DNS stuff. All right. So once we log in, it's automatically going to bring us to setup. So the default login for the actual CLI, the username is root, the password is Eve. All right, and then we're going to type in that. You may be typing, you're not going to see anything, but we're going to go ahead and still type anyway. It's going to go through. Brian, go ahead and name the you want to call it. We'll just call it this. I got you.
I'll show about the name.
Gotcha. And I want to stay consistent with your setup, Chronology. Kind of a dope name, man. I like it.
That's not
what is Chronology
how you say that.
Oh, how do you say it?
Chronology?
I wasn't a good English guy. Chronology?
Yeah.
That's how you say it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right.
Technology.
The K in is silent.
Yeah, you already know. You already
kind
know.
of like knowledge.
Hey, what was the IP address?
192.168.0.15.
All right. You could have said 15. I got your ass. I might not know English, but I do know math, motherfucker.
Cool, man. We got you. We'll help you when you fall short.
I don't like it.
We got to help each other out. Bro, I'm glad this is recorded because you are flying.
Yeah, just because I, had all that information. So,
I got
information, the gateway stuff. So, yeah. All right. So now, ooh, that looks pretty.
That's beautiful.
That looks pretty. Cool. So now what it's going to do is going to boot into Eve. We're going to log in. And with the default password, we're going to check our network information. Since this is Linux, we're going to do ifconfig. Take a look at the management IP. Scroll up a little bit. I can't scroll on here. Oh man. Okay. So we're going to assume that yes, that's it. All right. Cool. So now, moment of truth.
$15.
What was the IP? 15?
15.
Cool. Perfect.
Voila.
Now here's the thing. With the HTML logging in, the username is not root, it's admin. Okay? Yeah, but the same.
You said say that one more time?
So when you're logging into the web console, the username is going to be admin, not root, just like with the CLI. CLI, the username is going to be root. HTML console is going to be admin.
The web console is admin. Same password is default E.
Yep. And then what I advise, you want to go ahead, go into system, or what is it, management, and you change that default password immediately. Just like any other node in anybody's network, you just change that immediately.
Should I go ahead and change it now? Pause.
Oh yeah, it's up to you. Just don't forget it.
And this is for both. This password is changed for both sides. Both, right?
Yep, I believe so. We can go ahead and test it.
Gotcha. We all good.
Passwords don't match.
Yeah, it says it don't match. We can't go nowhere.
What does this do?
Whoopsie. Hey, stop clicking around. You're killing me. Oh my
God. I'm
goodness.
not doing nothing.
You clicking back?
No, I'm just hitting the shift
I was
button.
messing with him. I was messing with him. I'm sorry.
Really,
okay.
dude? I said, I ain't gonna well, I ain't clicking that now.
Does it need an email too?
That's what it looks like.
.com? .net? Yeah.
Put that, .net. Yeah, just put .net. There you go. All right, scroll down. And edit. There you go. So go ahead and sign out and try to sign back in.
Hold on, document. Give me 1 second.
Yeah, go ahead and take your time. Jay, you still loading up?
Yeah, bro. You can go ahead and let me. I watch the video on repeat.
You watch the recording?
I watch the recording, bro. Follow along, big dog. My shit at 33%.
All right, so sign out.
Our moment of
All right,
truth.
so that's admin. Boom.
Perfect. We verified. All right, let's go to the CLI and let's see if that changes well.
So, ooh,
There you
boy,
go.
it was itching a little bit.
All right, go ahead and log in.
I see XP.
Look, Claude got excited. He's like, what?
See.
So Brian, that didn't change actually the CLI username. And
Hold on, let me try it
Okay.
again. Let me try it again. So
There's
this
gonna be
would
two different ones.
So this one would be root.
Looks like it.
Yeah.
We'll see. We'll see. But if not, I'll drop instructions on how to change the CLI password so it can.
Yeah, it didn't
They
change
don't
it
look
here.
like it.
Okay, no biggie. I'll find directions on how to go ahead and change that. But yeah, you got it set up. You're good to go, bro.
Perfect. Look at me.
And then we'll have another session to where once you get images, because it's a certain way to go ahead and frame those images so Eve can actually read it. We'll have another session on that. So
Nice.
we roll it. But yeah, I think we're good.
All right, so
we're good. We can go ahead and stop the
so I have to
recording.